MP Voice of the People Party National Parliamentary Constituency Dr. Ricky A.J Syngkon ulapan sengau halor ke Jingdon jong ke kenhuan high level kebayadon benta hakikam ti bat jalan duyong BA nyapok kecela. Ya kene Dr. Syngkon ulong aba simenta haka zero award apa yang derbar Lok Sabha menhenen kesengi. Dak bas ngau kia ngakwa ban pen sengau halor kane kamat badon kam bat kata kalong bahau senam arah cakat sau ka NGT kalakang ya ka jingti bat jingsalan duyong Pynkylla kapalong kawe nekikam bah khmat jongkin nong shisnong kecela laong utei UMP ulong ru kecukapor henrei ka bas ngosi kalong bawat apdeng ke jingsa khang jong ka NGT kadon kane ke kenhun ya kabalatip kum ka high level kilayadon benta hakikam ti bat shalan duyong bat kane kalong ka aka kabahap pansim khia bat nakalyang Dr. Syngkon ulong syu ru bakat sarkar basenchar menta Pynkylla ka khaprip khmat hak bai dei bat kane ka kam kumta nga kentujur ya ke sarkar ban simkhia ya kane ka kam laban pelaj baga jingkhang ti duyong ka trekampura ne ban pelaj no ya ka khnang ban sya ya kibriu kibalasania hakane ka karkhana bakongsan nak banta kilat kamai ke chongki
Dr. Ricky A.J. Dr. Ricky A.J. Dr. Ricky A.J.
Thank you, Mr. Chairperson, for allowing me to speak on this zero hour. Yes.
30 seconds.
Yes, I would like to draw your attention to this very important issue, and that is way back in 2014, the NGT banned the mining and transportation of coal in the state of Meghalaya, which is one of the major activity of the people of our state. However, sir, the sad part is that in spite of the ban, there is this group which is known as the high level group. They've been indulging in mining, indulging in transportation of coal. And this is very serious, sir. The government of the day in Meghalaya is turning a blind eye to this activity, and therefore I urge upon the government to take up this issue seriously, either to ensure that the ban is imposed, the blanket ban, or to open so that to allow, the people who have been dependent on this important industry for their livelihood. Thank you so much, sir.